My name is Ruan and I'm the General Manager for Marsroad IT Services. So what we do is we just provide IT support for small, large, medium companies, whatever their needs might be. We try to help them as best as we can. Mainly keeping track of user requests and finding a way to put in solutions. So a place to receive the problem, get it, and whatever was done to provide the solution, then we add that there as well. So if, for example, a customer comes along and says, listen, but you remember that another agent did it a long time ago, then we can go into the customer's name, have a look, say, oh, listen, that guy did the job. What did he do? He did this. Cool, we can do that. And what is very great is that you can track time with it as well, and you can add the files which you might have used, and you can also add evidence. That's the main use of BoldDesk for us at the moment, is gathering evidence and keeping it all in a nice little neat box. I just arrived and BoldDesk was the solution that we were using, but we weren't using it to its fullest potential yet. And then I started to talk to the sales manager and we started looking at different options and different ways to move forward. Measurable productivity, that's the main thing I would say, because now I actually have a metric to see what is it that the guys are doing throughout the day. What is it that they're spending time on? How much time are they spending on it? And also as a way to collaborate together. So for example, we do morning meetings where we discuss through the tickets, and then we have opportunity to say, listen, but I need some assistance with this, or I might need some assistance with that. Then we can work together, collaborate together, and give each other some input. It's made a huge jump, and we actually made a few changes on the way that we manage it on our end, and that gave another jump in productivity as well. So it's definitely doing something. Let's just put it bluntly. I myself came from Zendesk, so Zendesk felt a little bit more rugged compared to BoldDesk. When I arrived and I found BoldDesk, it didn't take too much to figure out what was going on and how the system works. So the one thing that I'll definitely say is very friendly. Canned responses, I'll definitely say that's one of the major things that we use consistently and constantly. It gives the junior technicians essentially like a script. Listen, you've got this little form that you want to respond to the customer to. This is what I would suggest that you need to fill in order to give a good response, basically an adequate response that the customer would actually be able to read and understand. We actually sign up as a reseller, and we are suggesting it to some of the people. From a company's perspective, where I'm standing right now, essentially create different departments and assign agents to those departments and set up the ticket flows, because right now we're in a very strange in-between phase, if I can put it like that. So everything's still falling everywhere, but essentially where we're going with it is to create some good ticket flow, some good ticket automation, and separate the tickets into different departments, but still using one platform, which is BoldDesk. Just get the customers the help that they need. I can't imagine doing what we do without a ticketing system, to put it plain. I can't imagine it.